Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am your host Sachin. Today we will discuss very important topic. Those who are looking software tech job in the IT fields. I bring you one good platform for those guys. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. This is the golden opportunity for those graduate students who looking a web development course which will help you land your dreams tech job in just 4 months. A job which pay you well and provide good career growth. This is the Function app. Function app is an upskilling platform that runs a web development bootcamps. These bootcamp trains candidate extensively in web development engineering skills, a focus on different skills like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and data structure and algorithm. This is the front end and back end. The bootcamp is 4 month long and curriculum stands by approved by the NSDC. NSDC is National Skill Development Corporation, a government of India initiative, which means that after the completion of the boot camp, you receive a training certification, which present by Function App is association with NSC. Also, the curriculum is designed by tech professional by IIT in collaboration industry expert. You get 100% placement assistance. Your package can range between 5 lakh to 40 lakh depending on your skills. And you have to pay only when you start earning. That is the only after your first salary. Function app provides the minimum package guarantee of 5 lakhs. Best of all, zero registration fee, no hidden charges, no upfront payments. So how to register? This is the home page. I given the link in the description. You hit the link and open this. You will see the home page. Enter the name, enter the first name and last name, enter the mobile number and get OTP. After you get OTP, enter the OTP and verify. This is the process for registration. After the registration, you fill all the education details and this is the 15 marks. I think 15 question for aptitude. As I told, pay only after securing a package at least 5 lakh. Less than 5 lakh, you don't need to pay any amount. No prior coding skill is required for this course. Placement responsibilities also they will take care. What are you waiting? Let's go and join this course. This is the best course for you. Function App offers 50% scholarship to women students. This scholarship was introduced to encourage more women to take a career in tech and become empowered. Their core offering 100% placement assurance for every 100% placement assurance of every candidate who has successfully completed the course. Assured tech job pay only to earn a minimum of 5 lakh and possibility to getting placement in USA, UK, Singapore based on the company's top coding jobs in best product based company. Mentor from college like IIT expertise. As you can see, you can see these are the blogs who are previous batch students joined. Like he is the BSc graduate, he got the 5 offers as a developer. So this is the best course for you guys. You can join to Function app. This is a good bootcamp. You can start your career as a web development here. Next batch is starting 20th March 23. So please register. He is Aman Kumar. He currently working software engineer at Omnicell. He did the he attended the backend developer training as in a Function app. Can you all you guys see here? Second, this is the Farina Ibrahim. Now he is working as a project manager as well as software developer. He attended the course in Function app. Third is the Jay Sardar. He is working as a software developer. He also attended uh, this course. Thank you. I hope this video will help you and definitely grow your career with Function. Thank you guys. Please subscribe the channel, hit the like button, share video with your friends, and for new videos notification, please hit the bell icon. Thanks.